Oi, fellas, you're watching the Sign Hunters today with Ian.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Milo. Sign Hunters, yes.
Hello.
How you feeling, Ian?
Loving it. Look at that. Oh.
Hello.
Come on.
It's proper dog off, huh? Yeah. So we are having a little bimble in Knighton now, and I think we both agree that this place is lovely. Hiya. Oh. Oh, hi. So we are walking up to the sign now, and I've just realized that I forgot the stickers. So the stickers are at home, but the good thing is that Ian, as a good sign hunter, he's got some spare stickers in the car. So what we're gonna do now, walk up to the sign, take a picture of the sign, go for a massive walk in the area, and on the way home we're gonna stop by the sign and put the sticker on. Go! Oh, this is the first sign hunting with a doggy. It's amazing. Ta-ta! Yes! Awesome, we've done it. Sign Hunters! It's Laszlo Bokor. Yes! Ian, you are the Shropshire lad.
I am.
And the Shropshire doggo. So what is Offa's Dyke? Do you know, Ian, if Dyke has any particular meaning? No, I also don't know. I don't know the word Dyke. I don't know what it means. But Offa was an Anglo-Saxon king who ruled West Mercia and this area in the 8th century. And it's a bit of a debatable thing that what the Offa's Dyke actually serves for, but one thing is clear, that Offa's Dyke clearly marks the boundary between England and Wales. Yes!
Oh,
Good! That's Knighton over there, and we are the Knights.
Yes, you were speaking, I know.
Comes the lunch bench. Time to sit down for
you,
us.
Dave.
Enjoy, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Winter is
Having a good day?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome day.
Awesome.
Come on.
Ian just pointed out that there's a sign over there. I said, where? I said, there. It's like, oh bloody hell, it's actually there. So he's a proper sign hunter now. got eagle eyes. Ah, yes. Yes. Look at this, guys. The dog managed to come up as well. It's a proper sign hunter, isn't he? Hey, do you enjoy it? Of course you do. Hello. Oh, that's beautiful. And look at this. Fucking well. Yes. Yes. Back to what?
Take any of the jets. We didn't. We saw the jets, but
Awesome. Yes, I love it. Cheers, mate.
cheers.
Hello. Hey. We need to put the sticker on the sign. Ian is responsible for the sticker today. Yes. Beautiful. Right, let's put the sticker on. There we go. That's amazing. Have successfully carried out the Knighton sign project. See you next time. Bye. Bye.